In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Zoom camera upside down. If you've ever joined a meeting and noticed your video feed is upside down or sideways, don't worry, this is a quick fix. We'll start in Zoom, correct the orientation using the built-in controls, make sure your preview matches what others see, and if needed, address a possible driver issue on Windows. First, open the Zoom app on your device and sign in. It helps to see a live feed while you adjust things, so either join a meeting or start a new one. You can use a personal meeting room or a test meeting, anything that shows your camera preview in real time. Look at the bottom toolbar and find the Stop Video button. Click the small arrow next to it to open the camera options. From the menu that appears, choose Video Settings. This opens the settings window on the Video tab where you'll see a live preview of your camera. Move your mouse over that preview. When you hover, additional controls appear right on the video. In the top right corner of the preview, you'll see a Rotate 90 degrees button. Click it once to rotate your camera feed. If your image is still not upright, click it again. You may need to click it twice to rotate 180 degrees, or keep clicking until your picture is right side up. Once it looks correct, Zoom will remember that orientation for this camera. While you're still in the video settings, look for the checkbox labeled Mirror My Video. This option flips your preview left to right to make it feel more natural, like looking in a mirror. It's helpful for framing yourself, but it can make text on shirts or signs appear backward in your own preview. If you want to see your image exactly as other participants see it and ensure any text reads correctly, turn Mirror My Video off. This only affects your local view. It doesn't change what others see beyond how your camera is actually oriented. If using the Rotate 90 degrees button doesn't solve the upside down issue, it's likely that your camera's driver is sending the image to your system inverted. On Windows, you can update the driver to fix this. Right-click the Start button, open Device Manager, expand the Camera section, right-click your webcam, and select Update Driver. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the update. After it finishes, return to Zoom and check your video again. That's it. With these steps, your camera should be properly oriented and your preview should match what everyone else is seeing.